Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Swipe down from the top right corner or up from the bottom of the screen. This opens Control Center quickly on iOS and many Android skins. Look for the crescent moon or focus label in the control cluster. Tap that crescent or focus icon one time to toggle Do Not Disturb off. Wait 1 second and watch the icon stop being highlighted. Your phone will now ring and show notifications normally immediately after you disable it. Open the Settings app on your phone to access system controls and preferences. Tap Focus on iOS or Sound and Vibration, then Do Not Disturb on Android. You will see a Do Not Disturb toggle or a Focus Master switch in that menu. Tap the toggle once to switch Do Not Disturb off and restore notification sounds and banners. Wait 1 second and confirm the toggle is in the off position. Your notifications and calls will resume without further action. If notifications still do not arrive, return to Focus or Do Not Disturb settings. Look for scheduled options and disable any active schedules or bedtime rules. Also review exceptions to allow calls from favorites and repeated callers when needed. Turn off any linked modes like bedtime, driving, or work that can re-enable Do Not Disturb automatically. On Android, check digital well-being for similar schedules and disable them there as well.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.